and negative, black wire, spade connectors. Loosen the small nuts on each vehicle battery post. They should be loosened enough to allow the spade connectors from the heating wiper blade wires to slide underneath. Slide the positive spade connector under the small nut on the positive battery post and tighten the nut securely. Slide the negative spade connector under the small nut on the negative battery post and tighten the nut securely. Note that if the connections are reversed accidentally, a red light will appear on the sensor box. If the red light does not come on, the connections are correct and you can proceed with the rest of the installation. Close the hood down and proceed to installation of the wiper blade on the wiper arm of your vehicle. Follow the instructions enclosed in the package for using the correct adapter for your vehicle. The online application guide can tell you the adapter used on your particular vehicle. All adapters are included in the package. Open the hood again and feed the wire from the wiper blade under the hood into the engine compartment. Connect the wire coming from the wiper blade to the wire coming from your vehicle battery. Using zip ties included in the package, secure the wires to the wiper arm and to various places under the hood. Note that there must be enough slack in the wire to allow the wiper blade to freely perform the wiping motion on your windshield. Also note that the wires under the hood should be secured in such a way that there is no interference with moving engine parts, such as fans or belts. Close the hood of your vehicle, and you are ready to face winter head-on. The Type S heating wiper blade heating rubber will only activate when your vehicle is running and the temperature is 37 degrees Fahrenheit or below. The heating stops when the engine is shut off or the temperature rises above 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Note that the rubber heats up to 180